Let's build some flavor inside one pot. You see this rice? This is how they eat them. You guys, let's cook some ayamase sauce together. You'll be needing some bell pepper and some onions and some pepper as you put your pepper to your taste. Then you roast. You can actually skip the roasting part. I don't get food processor, so I use blender. I put my blender for just number one to blend for me. You can skip the roasting part, but the disadvantage is that if you skip the roasting part, you'll be having a lot of water to strain out. You can see that I'm even begging water to come out from my own. That's because I've actually roasted. You can use your air fryer to roast it and your oven to roast it. It's all good. Just roast. I roast mine for 80 degree for like 25 minutes. It not reach 30 minutes. Sorry, 180 degree for 25 minutes. It not reach 30 minutes. What a roast them. Then I begin the strain am. This is the advantage of roasting it. Who say na only so green, green, green? Thank God you can tell, you can see small, small red pepper from my own. Up next, I went ahead to put my pot for fire, then I put oil. Make I not like this oil kind of too much sharp. But we move. It's a yamashi sauce now. So, but the oil too much, but I don't put that before I don't put everything before I realize that the oil too much. We move. Let me give you a tip of how you can bleach your red oil without putting the whole house on fire and smoky. Just put your oil, cover am, low the gas, let am dey bleach small small. Then if you observe say smoke don come too full the cover, leave the cover like that, off your gas for some minutes, the smoke go come down. Bleach your oil till it's giving you groundnut oil form of vibe. And you get groundnut oil vibe. That's it. Then you put your onions. We are building flavor yet. Don't forget, we are building flavor inside one pot. Therefore, fry your onions for just like 3 minutes. For 3 minutes on a low heat. On a low heat, because if you put them for medium or high heat, everybody medium heat and high heat not be the same, low heat not be the same. You just need that caramel vibe to give flavor. Then you put your locust beans. If you have fresh locust beans, it's fine. Mine was dried from Nigeria. I just put am for inside microwave, make it for ferment. You get. Then fry your locust beans for 2 minutes. Just keep frying. After that 2 minutes, up next you add your this thing. Your pepper. Just add your pepper mix. You can see the flavor is already building here. You get only that onions and that locust beans alone. They are a game changer. Then you add your salt, season your food to your taste. Add your salt and your maggi. We don't need too much in this sauce. We don't need too much serere. This sauce go with yam, rice, like oh, omo, this sauce no reach ground for my house because e no reach us eat. After then you add crayfish. Sorry. uh, After then you add your protein, but at the end of the day, we're still going to add crayfish. You get just add your protein, any proteins of your choice. I added fish. I no fry my pomo. I just boil my pomo, put am like that. Then I added boiled egg. I be fast person, make everything just done. Come out there, you get. Now I be the bell pepper, and because of say normally mommy no go sit down say I wan cook this kind small sauce because e no go reach anything. I have a big family. Then you add your crayfish. Please do not no pack too much crayfish put for this sauce because crayfish is a dominant. And don't forget, we are building flavor inside one pot. If you pack crayfish put, it go dominate all the flavor wey you dey try build. Now so crayfish you go dey perceive for your food, and you don't want that. So just add small crayfish. Then I add my meat, air fry and I take fry my fish. Then the egg I use fake take shuku shuku in destiny life so that so that the sauce everything go blend together. Our sauce is ready. Now me and my household begin the work this thing. Ooh, you can tell the way we dey eat this thing. We enjoy them. Like I can't thank my farm because now farm I for plug those bell pepper. I can't thank my farm. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Join the blessing family. Join the Higi Yaga, the chaos family. Oh, so now it's three of us now eat this food. You can see this is a big plate we use. There's no faking zone here. Thank Thank you for watching.